details about how hot it's actually going to get.
Yes, you know, we enjoyed 80-degree temperatures this weekend, low humidity, but now we're going to see the return of heat. Humidity will stay low for a couple days before it starts creeping back in, but it's definitely going to be unseasonably hot and potentially dangerously hot. Right now, though, it is quiet, it is dry. Downtown Indianapolis, mostly clear, 64 degrees at dew point at 49 degrees, and winds are out of the south-southwest, 6 miles per hour. So that light wind shifting from out of the north yesterday to now out of the southwest. Off to our northwest, we do have some weather headlines, including some extreme heat warnings as well as a heat advisory. We don't have that for us yet. However, we'll be looking for that possibly as early as tomorrow. Here's a look at what we have here on radar. We do have a storm system that's just going to be diving across into portions of Ohio. For us, we may see a few high clouds out of that, but for the most part, it's just going to be a hot day. Currently 64 degrees in Indianapolis, 61 in Kokomo, 58 in Bloomington, and the dew point still very comfortable in the low 50s in most spots. Indianapolis pretty dry at 49 degrees. Now we do have this ridge in the upper levels. This had retreated off to the west, but it's going to be building right back in again this week. And this ridge, when we have a ridge like this in the upper levels, it really allows that warm air from the south to creep in. And it does look like it's going to stay pretty much with us all the way into the weekend. So today we're forecasting a hot day. Temperatures climb to 90 degrees. But humidity will stay low. Winds will be out of the southwest. We'll start to see a little bit more humidity moving in, but it won't be significant. It will actually feel like 90 degrees. Tonight during the overnight, we fall into the mid 60s, so a couple degrees below, above average. And then as we go into tomorrow, it will likely be the hottest day of the week. It's also the first day of summer, astronomical summer solstice for tomorrow. And it will likely be the hottest day of the year as temperatures climb into the mid 90s tomorrow afternoon. So hottest day of the week, temperatures will be around 86 degrees during that noon hour, eventually climbing to 95. It will also be a bit breezier tomorrow. We'll see some gusts around 20 miles per hour. So tonight, during the overnight into Wednesday morning, warm and muggy. We're going to start to see that muggy meter climbing on Wednesday morning. Temperatures will only fall into those low to mid 70s, and dew points will be getting stickier as we go through the afternoon. They will climb into the mid to upper 60s. We'll likely even see some low 70 readings, which makes it feel pretty oppressive on Wednesday afternoon. Now, we also have a potential of an isolated thunderstorm, and I think most areas will stay dry out of this. However, this is a look at Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. A few isolated thunderstorms will be possible during the morning, and then as we go into the afternoon, we'll see a little bit more cloud coverage, but it will still be a hot day. We're forecasting temperatures to be back in those low to mid 90s, and the feels like temperatures will actually be near that triple-digit mark. So we'll be watching that for you closely as we get closer. So taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we will see highs around 90 degrees for today. We're in the mid 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. It will feel hotter on Wednesday because of those heat indices in the triple digits. The stretch of 90+ degree weather continues well into next week. Hot, hazy, and only just slight chances of some rain, Carlos.